This is Scott from Depression to Expression, and we're going to get out of bed together this morning because it's difficult sometimes to find that energy and to find that will to get out of bed. So let's do this together, and let's find energy within our bodies to take that first step. Let's begin by breathing together. Let's inhale through the nose deeply and exhale slowly out the mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in again and out. And feel the energy with each inhale moving in through your body. The music may be relaxing, you may feel relaxed, but at the same time, your body and mind are waking up together. With each breath, you give your body the energy it needs. You're inhaling that positive energy and exhaling any tension, any worry about the day, any frustration, and any tiredness. You're letting that go, and you're inhaling that energy. Let's begin to wake up our body with that positive energy. Squeeze your hands into fists. Clench your fists tightly and feel all the muscles in your hands, in your forearms. Feel them tighten up, feel that tension, and release. And wiggle your fingers. Let them know you're awake. Your body is waking up. And wiggle your fingers again. Open and close your fists. And continue to breathe. Now take your hands, both your left and your right, and rub them together. Feel the friction generated by your hands, like this electricity and this energy you're creating and this warmth that you yourself have created. Rub those hands together and feel the energy that you are creating within your body. Now let's focus on our feet. Wiggle your ankles and your toes, flexing those muscles in your calves and in your shins. Now flex your toes towards the tip of your bed and feel all the muscles tense up. Feel your ankles tense, your calves, your shins, your toes. And now release. And wiggle them. Let your feet know that you're awake. Now let's move up the body into our waist. Let's slightly roll back and forth in our beds, slightly turning our bodies, moving our back slightly, moving at the hips, just softly rolling back and forth and back and forth. With your body becoming awake and energy filling each and every cell of your body, your mind is becoming awake as well. You're becoming alert, and you're becoming optimistic about the day. You're becoming optimistic because you've already started your day by listening to a meditation. You're already starting your day by doing something positive for yourself. Now continue to breathe, inhaling through that nose and exhaling through the mouth. And the air you breathe is continued energy. Now together, we're going to lift our heads off our pillow and our torso, and we're going to sit at the edge of our bed. You can do this slowly. Let's do that together now. And raise your torso and rotate towards the end or side of your bed, and just sit there quietly. Your feet may be on the floor, they may not be. That's fine. Now let's reach our arms up to the ceiling. Reach your fingertips and try to touch the ceiling and stretch. Feel the stretch in your back and in your shoulders, in your triceps and in your neck. And now release your arms and put them back to your side. Become aware of how your body feels at this moment. Turn that attention inward and just observe how you're feeling. You are awake and you are ready for the day. Notice how your body feels. It feels lighter. You are powerful. You are ready. And from this seated position, we're going to take our first step into the day. And the first step is powerful. The first step will set the pace for the day. So from the seated position, we're going to stand up tall and proud, with both feet firmly on the ground. You are ready for the day. You are standing tall with your shoulders back, with your chest out, looking forward. And you are ready. You are ready to think. You are ready to act. And you are ready to do whatever you have to do to have a great day. You can proceed with your day, and you can take on anything that comes your way. Feel energized, alert, yet calm and powerful. You are confident with how you are standing right now, and you are ready for anything and everything. This has been Scott from Depression to Expression. Kick ass today.